Hello everyone. Today, we will learn about one of the most trending technologies in the industries, that is artificial intelligence, and understand the different types of artificial intelligence. Without any further delay, let's begin. First, let's understand what really is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the science of building intelligent machines from vast volumes of data. This data can be structured, semi-structured, or unstructured in nature. AI systems learn from past experiences and perform human-like tasks. Artificial intelligence enhances the speed, precision, and effectiveness of human efforts. AI uses sophisticated algorithms and methods to build machines that can make decisions on their own. Deep learning and machine learning are the two subsets of artificial intelligence. So, you need both machine learning algorithms and deep learning networks to build intelligent systems. AI is now being widely used in almost every sector of business, such as transportation, healthcare, banking, retail, entertainment, and e-commerce. Now, let's look at the different types of artificial intelligence. So, AI can be classified based on capabilities and functionalities. Under capabilities, there are three types of artificial intelligence. They are narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Under functionalities, we have four types of artificial intelligence: reactive machine, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Let's look at them one by one. First, we will look at the different types of artificial intelligence based on capabilities. So what is narrow AI? Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, focuses on one narrow task and cannot perform beyond its limitations. It aims at a single subset of cognitive abilities and advances in that spectrum. Applications of narrow AI are becoming increasingly common in our day-to-day lives as machine learning and deep learning methods continue to evolve. Apple Siri is a simple example of a narrow AI that operates with a limited predefined range of functions. Siri often has challenges with tasks outside its range of abilities. IBM Watson supercomputer is another example of narrow AI, which applies cognitive computing, machine learning, and natural language processing to process information and answer your questions. IBM Watson once outperformed human contestant Ken Jenkins to become the champion on the popular game show Jeopardy! Other examples of narrow AI include Google Translate, image recognition software, recommendation systems, spam filtering, and Google's page ranking algorithm. Next, we have General Artificial Intelligence or General AI. General AI, also known as Strong AI, has the ability to understand and learn any intellectual task that a human can. General Artificial Intelligence has received a $1 billion investment from Microsoft through OpenAI. It allows the machine to apply knowledge and skills in different contexts. AI researchers and scientists have not achieved strong AI so far. To succeed, they would need to find a way to make machines conscious, programming a full set of cognitive abilities. Fujitsu built the K computer, which is one of the fastest computers in the world. It is one of the most notable attempts at achieving strong AI. It took 40 minutes to simulate a single second of neural activity, so it is difficult to determine whether or not strong AI will be achieved in the near future. Tianhe 2 is a supercomputer created by China's National University of Defense Technology. It currently holds the record for CPS at 33.86 petaflops. Although it sounds exciting, the human brain is estimated to be capable of 1 exaflop. Now CPS means characters per second that a system can process. Third in the list of AI that is based on capabilities, we have Super AI. Super AI exceeds human intelligence and can perform any task better than a human. The concept of artificial superintelligence sees AI evolve to be so akin to human emotions and experiences that it doesn't just understand them, it evokes emotions, needs, beliefs, and desires of its own. Its existence is still hypothetical. Some of the key characteristics of Super AI include the ability to think, solve puzzles, make judgments, and decisions on its own. Now, if you have enjoyed watching this video so far, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest technologies. Also, if you have any questions related to this video, please put it in the chat section. Our team of experts will help you address your questions. Moving ahead, now we will see the different types of artificial intelligence based on functionalities. In this category, first we have reactive machine. A reactive machine is the basic form of AI that does not store memories or use past experiences to determine future actions. It works only with present data. They simply perceive the world and react to it. Reactive machines are given certain tasks and don't have capabilities beyond those duties. IBM's Deep Blue, which defeated chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov, is a reactive machine that sees the pieces on a chessboard and reacts to them. It cannot refer to any of its prior experiences and cannot improve with practice. Deep Blue can identify the pieces on a chessboard and know how each moves. It can make predictions about what moves might be next for it and its opponent. It can choose the most optimal moves from among the possibilities. Deep Blue ignores everything before the present moment. All it does is look at the pieces on the chessboard as it stands right now and choose from possible next moves. Up next, we have limited memory. Limited memory AI learns from past data to make decisions. The memory of such systems is short-lived. While they can use this data for a specific period of time, they cannot add it to a library of their experiences. This kind of technology is used for self-driving vehicles. They observe how other vehicles are moving around them in the present and as time passes. That ongoing collected data gets added to the static data within the AI machine, such as lane markers and traffic lights. They are included when the vehicle decides to change lanes to avoid cutting off another driver or being hit by a nearby vehicle. Mitsubishi Electric is a company that has been figuring out how to improve such technology for applications like self-driving cars. Then we have theory of mind. Theory of mind represents a very advanced class of technology and exists as a concept. This kind of AI requires a thorough understanding that the people and the things within an environment can alter feelings and behaviors. It should be able to understand people's emotions, sentiment, and thoughts. Even though a lot of improvements are there in this field, this kind of AI is not complete yet. One real-world example of theory of mind AI is Kismet, a robot head made in the late 90s by a Massachusetts Institute of Technology researcher. Kismet can mimic human emotions and recognize them. Both abilities are key advancements in theory of mind AI, but Kismet can't follow gazes or convey attention to humans. Sophia from Hanson Robotics is another example where the theory of mind AI was implemented. Cameras within Sophia's eyes combined with computer algorithms allow her to see. She can follow faces, sustain eye contact, and recognize individuals. She is able to process speech and have conversations using natural language subsystem. Finally, we have self-awareness. Self-awareness AI only exists hypothetically. Such systems understand their internal traits, states, and conditions and perceive human emotions. These machines will be smarter than the human mind. This type of AI will not only be able to understand and evoke emotions in those it interacts with, but also have emotions, needs, and beliefs of its own. While we are probably far away from creating machines that are self-aware, we should focus our efforts towards understanding memory, learning, and the ability to base decisions on past experiences. I hope it was useful and informative. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. Thank you for watching, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.